MFSA Wingman, it was great flying with you. Remember the 4 wing tips we shared at our squadron meeting. Number 1, commit to excellence, be passionate and emulate that through your squadron. Commit to courage, be willing to step out of your comfort zone. Commit to the mission, don't wing it, prepare and strap on some new weapon systems to your leadership flight plan. And last and certainly not least, be that wingman or wingman, the trusted partner. Check each other's 6 and dig the well and show appreciation for all those unsung heroes who are helping you do the coolest job in the world, which is to fly with MFSA. Keep pushing it up.
I've been to a number of leadership events, and I think this one was quite a good one. It was very inspiring and insightful during the sessions, and also the small exercises that we had. They helped me develop and understand how to develop my leadership role at the FIU, but also how to develop myself at a personal level as well. I think one of the most strongest points that came out during the sessions is the strength that we create by uniting together, both within our own teams, cross-sectoral and also across the different authorities, in order to make sure that we work together through a common and a shared vision and a mission.
Today's event is a testament to the MFSA's commitment to growth and leadership and training of MFSA staff. I took a lot of learning points from this event, both on a personal level and on a professional level, and I look forward to implementing them in the weeks and months to come. I'm grateful to the MFSA as an employer that provides these opportunities to staff to continue supporting the growth and to continue investing in the organization.